Welcome to Macro Mind YouTube channel. We are going to create 5 minutes easy cinema by using Gemini and just NotebookLM by giving just one line prompt to get the story. Now this is how it will come. It will be a cinematic real movie. This is the trailer what you are watching out now. So are you ready? Now let's do it. Okay. These are the 4 steps you're going to do that. First, open the Gemini, give one line, just give me the story, thriller it will give you. Okay, just review your story. If it is getting interested, then fix it. If you want to give another prompt, just give me this story in Tamil language or whatever language, because the cinema will be given by default in English language as an audio. In future, if you can mute and make it in Tamil, it will work for you. Now open Google NotebookLM and this is how it will appear. You click the NotebookLM. This page will appear for you. Try NotebookLM. If you never tried before, then this page will appear for you. It gives you previous projects, but no worries. You just click new workbook. Then the story you saved in PDF document you upload here as a source. Because this is the source, depends on that, it's going to create a cinema for you. Then you click the video overview as you see it in the screen right now. Then you select cinematic and hit the button generate to let Google Notebook to do the magic for you. Okay, usually take 10 to 15 minutes time, so be patient with it. It's going to be a real movie, not 30 seconds, not 60 seconds movie. It's going to be 3 to 5 minutes movie. So that would take some time. Then just wait for it. Once it is ready, click it and review your movie. Now, well, this is the movie. Wow. Then once you are okay, then download and keep it in your system, because you're going to use CapCut or any application to prepare and publish this content. Okay, well, now your movie is ready.
A heavy monsoon washes Chennai. 24 floors up, surrounded by reinforced glass, sits a man who believes he is entirely out of reach. Vikram is insulated by layers of wealth and carefully crafted legal loopholes. Since the traditional court system cannot prosecute him, and a physical strike would only turn a corrupt operative into a martyr, he remains effectively untouchable. On his desk sits the culmination of months of forgery, a legal file designed to permanently absolve a corrupt millionaire tomorrow morning. At exactly 11:45 p.m., the silence of the isolated office is broken. A landline rings. The caller on the other end is anonymous, identifying himself only as a vigilante enforcing the 11th commandment. Over the next 5 minutes, this man will willingly dismantle his own career. No physical force is required. Instead, the attacker will rely entirely on targeted psychological warfare. The caller opens with a specific, terrifying threat. Vikram's daughter, Anjali, sleeps in his car downstairs, and that car is rigged with RDX explosives. A calculating fixer like Vikram doesn't break easily. A verbal threat over a phone line is usually dismissed as a bluff by a man who fundamentally understands how power and leverage operate. To bridge the distance between the office and the street, the caller hacks the car's electronic system, causing the indicator lights to flash twice in the dark. He provides immediate proof of his reach. This specific tactic firmly establishes omniscience. By demonstrating technical control over Vikram's property from an unseen location, the attacker shatters the target's physical boundaries. Establishing true leverage requires more than just making a hollow claim. It requires proving the immediate capacity to execute the threat. Vikram's immediate and desperate response is to flee, but when he sprints for the exit, he finds the heavy electronic locks are already firmly engaged from the outside. Removing a physical escape route strips away an individual's agency, triggering a massive cortisol spike and forcing a defensive, reactive posture. Vikram's luxury corner office, which was previously a gleaming symbol of his status, has been transformed into a glowing glass cage. By physically cornering the target inside a locked room, the vigilante forces a highly strategic thinker to regress into a base survival state. With the physical trap set, the vigilante delivers the demand. Vikram has exactly 3 minutes, until 11:50 p.m., to feed the corrupt file into his paper shredder. A compressed deadline denies the brain the necessary bandwidth to analyze new variables or look for inconsistencies in the threat. This flowchart illustrates cognitive override. As the clock runs out, a desperate Vikram feeds documents into the shredder, destroying his own leverage with his own hands. The ultimate weapon against a rational opponent is an irrational, panicked timeline where logic cannot operate. At 11:50, the line goes dead. The electronic lock on the office door snaps open, and the immediate pressure evaporates into silence. Vikram looks through the rain-streaked window as another car pulls up. His wife steps out, waking Anjali and guiding her inside. She is completely safe. There were no explosives, and Anjali was never in the BMW. The entire scenario was an elaborate fiction designed to exploit a specific psychological profile. This is the power of a phantom threat. As a glowing message lights up his phone, Vikram realizes that his own guilt and parental fear provided all the raw materials for his destruction. Vikram was tricked into executing his own downfall, demonstrating that an untouchable man's greatest vulnerability is often his own corrupt ego.
Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for trusting me. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's very simple, guys. As a recap, we opened Gemini. We gave one line prompt, give me the thriller story in Tamil or English, it's fine. Save that in PDF format, open NotebookLM, upload that as a source, then you go to video overview, clicked cinematic overview, boom, you got the movie. A cinematic movie as you've seen there. Well, there may be some questions running in your mind. In the beginning, எனக்குமே இதை தமிழில் ஒரு ஸ்டோரியாக கிரியேட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு தான் இருந்துச்சு. I wanted to do that in Tamil, but I came to know currently the cinematic overview will come only in English language. Okay, then I thought, I got the visual. When I want to convert this in Tamil, I can do that. How? Because when you open the CapCut, I can mute the voice, then I can do voice over by reading the Tamil script which I have downloaded. That's one of the options we have. Still, the same story came in English. You can do that in Tamil. And I'm going to put the Tamil PDF document right below in the description for you to refer on it. Okay? This is easy. Thank you for watching and thank you for trusting me. See you in another video. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and support.